In today's digital world, cybersecurity is no longer just a niche IT role. It's a crucial function across every industry. Companies face growing risks every day, and there's a global shortage of over 4 million cybersecurity professionals. The workforce needs to expand by more than 70% to meet demands, making cybersecurity one of the fastest growing and most secure career paths. If you are a working professional considering a career pivot or upskilling, cybersecurity offers not only stability but also dynamic opportunities for growth and impact. Cybersecurity analysts are the frontline defenders of an organization's data and systems. Your role is to identify vulnerabilities, monitor security alerts, investigate potential breaches, and implement measures to prevent attacks. If you have experience in problem solving, risk management, or data analysis in your current role, those skills can translate directly to cybersecurity. Technical expertise is essential but attainable. Building foundational knowledge in networking, Linux, and scripting languages like Python or PowerShell can set you up for success. Familiarity with tools such as Wireshark and Metasploit will enhance your capabilities. Equally important are soft skills, critical thinking, attention to detail, and clear communication. As cybersecurity analysts, you'll often explain complex risks and solutions to stakeholders outside the technical teams. You don't need to start from scratch or have a formal degree in computer science. Many professionals transition successfully by pursuing industry-recognized certifications such as CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker CEH or CISSP. Practical hands-on experience is critical. Platforms like TryHackMe and HackTheBox offer real-world labs where you can apply your knowledge safely and effectively. Employers seek demonstrated skills. Document your projects, engage in cybersecurity communities, and contribute to open source initiatives if possible. A strong portfolio showcasing your applied knowledge will differentiate you in the job market. Experience from other professional backgrounds, whether in compliance, auditing, or IT support, can provide valuable perspective that enhance your cybersecurity capabilities. When applying, tailor your resume and LinkedIn profile to highlight transferable skills, certifications, and practical experience. Prepare to discuss your problem-solving approach and how you would handle real-world security challenges during interviews. Showing passion, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous learning often matters more than prior direct experience. We have seen firsthand how rapidly this field evolves and how critical it's becoming across every industry. While many roles are being automated or phased out, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is only rising. Cyber threats aren't going away, they are getting smarter. That's why cybersecurity isn't just relevant, it's essential. If you're looking for a career with long-term relevance, adaptability, and purpose, this is it. Cybersecurity is a career with clear progression path from analysts to penetration tester, security architect, or security leadership roles like Chief Information Security Officer (CISO). The demand for talent is global. Salaries are competitive and opportunities span every sector, from finance and healthcare to government and technology. If you are ready to pivot into a high-demand, impactful, and rewarding career, cybersecurity offers the perfect opportunity. Start building your skills, gain certification, and engage with the community. For expert guidance and hands-on training tailored for working professionals, check out Edoxi's cybersecurity courses. Your journey into cybersecurity starts now. For more informative content, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.